you really vlogging?
Yes.
Or are you just bluffing me? It's not on, na?
It is not on.
Are you serious?
Yes. Your momo. But tell me one thing. साला तुम्हारी तबीयत इतनी खराब है, तुमको मोमो फिर भी खाने हैं?
Just my face is looking so horrible. Just put some cute puppy or बिल्ली का filter. मेरी तबीयत, हाँ, I'm just I've decided कि मैं इस month के end तक खाऊंगी and then I won't be eating anymore. Sanitize
ओपन, हाँ, ओपन. इसमें दोनों चीजें हैं.
दोनों?
हाँ.
You're so nasty.
पहले मोमो खाओ, फिर दवाई खाओ.
Listen, they're steamed momos, so there's nothing wrong with the steamed momos.
मोमो के साथ देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट जो उसके साथ तुम सॉसेस खाते हो उसमें प्रॉब्लम है.
मेरे पास भी एक और चीज है. I was waiting for you to come so that we could do this.
थर्मामीटर. चलो ठीक है, पहले मोमो खा लो.
Look at this combination. What is this happening? Thermometer, night cream, lipstick.
ऐसे ना, पहले मोमो खा लो, फिर दवाई खा लो.
Listen, you're really vlogging, तो तुमने
हाँ.
बोला वो सब. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope and pray that you and your families are doing absolutely fine. And उसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं?
यह तुम्हारा व्लॉग है.
Yeah. Kunal, since you started. So guys, as you can see, आज कुणाल ने vlog शुरू कर दिया है. Very sweet of him, but at least he should have given me a little bit of a heads up. So this is going to be another vlog. मुझे कुणाल ने return gift दे दिया है. मैं जो उसका मजाक उड़ा रही थी, वो same चीज मेरे साथ हो गई. Now I am between taking steam and tissue paper, and I am doing khanku.
And after that eating momos.
Listen, Kunal, you are the one who got me addicted to momos. मुझे तो momos की शक्ल भी पसंद नहीं थी.
अब देख लो शक्ल.
Listen, I was just thinking, why don't we give a call to Dr. Thomre as well?
अच्छा, आफ्टर ईटिंग मोमोज.
हाँ, पहले मेरा वीडियो भी एडिट हो गया है. मैं हाथ धो लेती हूँ.
चलो ठीक है, ईट मोमोज एंड देन यू डू योर व्लॉगिंग. ओके.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you and your families are doing absolutely fine. So it has been 2 days since I got really sick. I think I took about 2.5, 3 days to completely recover. I just felt really sick. My throat infection really reached the next level because I think I overdid the Chinese, I overdid the momos, and the Szechuan sauces really just did it for me. But I'm feeling so much better. So I thought let's start vlogging. तो आज का agenda जहाँ पे हमने पिछली बार vlog छोड़ा था, that is we need to take this decoration off because now we need to prep up the house for Christmas. तो आज कुणाल सारा डेकोरेशन उतारेगा. He's going to take these garlands off. सारी लाइटें भी उतर जाएगी. So now let's get started. डेकोरेशन सारा पैकअप हो चुका है. सारी दिवाली लाइट्स भी पैकअप हो चुकी है. एंड इट इज़ सच अ सैड फीलिंग जब हम डेकोरेशन उतारते हैं, उसे पैकअप करके रखते हैं, और जब डेकोरेशन लगाने की बारी आती है तो कितनी एक्साइटमेंट रहती है. यू नो, वी आर ऑल सो एक्साइटेड, सो हैप्पी. और जैसे जैसे डेकोरेशन उतारने का टाइम आता है, आई नो आई कीप टेलिंग कुणाल एक और दिन और रहने देते हैं, एक और दिन रहने देते हैं, एक और दिन रहने देते हैं. बिकॉज कुणाल हैज़ बीन आस्किंग मी फ्रॉम द पास्ट 1 week के डेकोरेशन अब उतार देते हैं. बट आई वॉज जस्ट पुशिंग इट अलॉन्ग. आई वॉज लाइक एक और दिन और छोड़ देते हैं. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो अगर आपके साथ भी यही सेम फीलिंग होती है कि डेकोरेशन लगाते वक्त इतनी एक्साइटमेंट होती है, और जब डेकोरेशन उतारने का टाइम आता है देन यू नो यू जस्ट काइंड ऑफ feel a little bit sad and you're like, no, just let it be on. Also, I did a little bit of self-love, self-pampering. This is what I did. I just trimmed and clipped my nails a little bit. I filed them and I thought कि just let me put some nail paint, you know. इतना सा grooming करने से the mood just gets uplifted. You feel good, you feel happy. वो जो बीमार वाली feeling एकदम sink in हो गई थी. At least little bit of nail painting just lifted my mood. So I went ahead and I painted my nails. I've trimmed my nails really short, and they're looking pretty decent, pretty nice. And I have used this one from Nykaa, and the shade is Lavender Drizzle. Yeah, this is what the nail paint looks like, and this is the first time I use this shade and I quite like it. The finish is quite good. Let's see कितना time last करता है, but so far I'm really liking it. इतना ही करने से my mood has just gotten uplifted. I'm feeling so good, feeling really nice. So cooking मेरी हो चुकी है. I really wanted to do some elaborate cooking, कुछ fancy बनाने का मन हो रहा था, but at the same time मेरी हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही थी, and I did not want to exert myself, so I just took it really easy. बहुत ही simple सा lunch बना लिया है. Some bindi, little bit of dal, some चावल. So although I'm feeling completely fine, but फिर भी body में बहुत ज़्यादा weakness है, but I'm sure कि वो भी ठीक हो जाएगी in the next few days. But I want to share with you guys something really interesting. So I think last week मैंने एक order place किया था for some garments, and I did place an order for 2 outfits for Kunal. One was a jacket, one was a t-shirt, and I was really skeptical because he is a little fussy with his fitting. However, my packages have started coming in. I think 2 packages are still pending, but I'm going to show you what I have got so far. So these are the packages that have come in from Nykaa. These 2 are for me, and this one is for Kunal, which I'm particularly very excited, and I just hope it fits him. I really hope that he likes it, so I'm quite excited about this one. And uske alawa I ordered something from this brand, Urbano Fashion. It was a bottle green kind of a semi loose fit t-shirt which he liked so much कि जैसे ये t-shirt आई, he immediately wore it and he's gone out. Kunal has gone out. He's gone for a look test actually, and I'm really excited because once he comes back, I want to give him this package and I want to see his reaction. Actually मैंने पहले सोचा था कि I will call for this, I will gift wrap it and keep it under my Christmas tree like I do it every year. But I'm so excited and I want him to start using it that I just cannot wait. I think Christmas tree के नीचे there'll have to be another gift for him, but right now I'm really waiting for him to come. I want him to open this package and I really want to see his reaction. I really hope that he likes it and it fits him. So let's see what his reaction is. Meanwhile, I'm going to start opening my packages and I'm going to see how they fit me. I've just ordered some casual loungewear and what did I order? I don't even remember now. So anyways, I'll get back to my packages and then I'll get back to you. Kunal, Christmas came in early for you. It's a surprise. I was thinking I'll pack this and keep it under the Christmas tree and give it to you, you know, let you open it on Christmas, but it's too long to wait and I'm just more excited than you are.
But I wanted a car.
Listen.
Khole?
Yes, please. Did you like it?
I loved it.
Seriously?
I swear on you.
Will it fit you?
Definitely it will fit me.
Apparently it's custom made. As per that's why I was asking you for your measurements. How is it?
It's sexy.
Sure. Kunal really liked his jacket and he's really happy with it, and that made sure now you're not just saying it to keep my heart now. So Kunal really liked his jacket. He's so happy with it and that has made me so happy. अभी लगे हाथों में सोच रही हूँ मैं भी अपने पैकेट्स खोल लेती हूँ. Let me just try and I hope they fit me. I don't have to, you know, put in for an exchange. So I'm just going to open these packets now. So this is what I got. These are a pair of leggings in a khaki almost olive green color. I am already using a grey pair of leggings in this brand. This is Forever 21 and I think they're really comfortable just to wear it at home. Just plain basic leggings. And then this is another beige color sweatshirt with a pair of shorts, like biker shorts, and this is also just another comfortable loungewear. I never really personally like these colors. I don't know, as time is passing by and as I'm growing older, I'm kind of leaning more towards these colors. I have already tried these on. They're quite comfortable just to lounge and, you know, just to wear them at home. So really good. It's almost 10 o'clock in the night and Kunal has to send in a very urgent audition. He's preparing for it. We've set up the light and the camera and everything. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek as to how he's preparing for his audition. You guys saw how Kunal was preparing for his audition. I've got to go and be his light man and camera person, and with that I think it's time for me to end this vlog right here. I know this vlog has been all over the place, just like the way my brain has been scattered throughout this vlog. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई in the past 2 to 3 days, but I didn't include it in the vlog. As in, I put it but then I deleted it because it wouldn't be possible for you guys to connect the dots. So it's time for me to end this vlog right here. But before I go, I wanted to remind you all that please do hit the like button if you have watched the video till here. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also please do share the video with your friends and family. It would mean the world to me. And with that, it's time for me to take your leave on this video right here. Until the next time, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.